can imagine what we had a bigger gap here, and reason being is when we buy, sometimes this door goes lower, so it's like 3-4 millimeters off of that metal base, you say, and then when it comes down, it needs more room. This time what they have made this door higher up, hence why it didn't need that extra gap which we had before. So as you can see there's a gap as well, which kind of is the same as that one. Then this one, because of that reason, because of the false measurements we had, or wrong ones, was obviously too much, so the gap was too big by 15 millimeters. So that's how we sorted the problem out. Obviously it's not the best way. The best way would be having it on a day when you make the frame, so you sit it in and you can see actually how it's going to operate and how it's going to fit in a hole, and yeah, go from there. So take a job like that, double check always and make sure you got a unit on site and you do all kind of works like that, because you know it could bite back and we might have to alter it like we had to. Luckily it's not a lot, it's quite easy, and we got paint, we can paint it up and it'll be like new. So yeah, hope it helps someone, and catch you later.
You know the drama. Drama.
Just a quick recap what we've done. So when you apply with your brush, you always need to clean it with cloth so it's dry, so there's no thick spots basically, otherwise it'll be uneven. So you want it to be consistent and even, and then because you won't get it done in one coat anyway, you need at least 2 or 3 coats. So yeah, just clean off excess with the either cloth or roll or something, and pull it along with the grain, so there's no streaks. And yeah, that's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed it today, and we'll catch up with you in the next video. Hi everyone, it's Artist from main country. This is the catch-up video on a job we did recently, kitchen diner refurb, if you remember. So this is how it looks all done. As you go through what we've done, here is the toilet. So the door originally was on the other side, so we blocked that off and made doorway here. That's the kitchen obviously. If you remember, half bespoke, as we used Howden's units and framed it, made our own doors, put beading, cornices, etc. So this is the dining area. The dining area, the utility area with utility side on the right hand side. There used to be a door into the toilet, as how it used to be. So by moving door there, we gained the extra space to put utility room here, and that freed space for kitchen itself. So kind of worked well, we think. This is the dining area, if you remember. Tiled floor up throughout, just for ease of tidying up. Also, we opted for LEDs under the plinth and units, just because obviously customer can use them as like a mood light. You see, if you turn it off, you can use it as a mood light. So we've done the same for the bar area. So there's the lights there. You can turn them on and off. Yeah, so that's on a short what it looks like now. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch up with you in the next one.